Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 22nd of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of August, 2024, our system has classified Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.37. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.08% since we initially recommended it as a hold or accumulate. This amounts to an average daily loss of 0.01% since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently situated in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating the likelihood of further increases within this trend. The present 3-month trend hints at a potential change of approximately 14% over the upcoming 3 months, with an expected return ranging from 8% to 26%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it points to an anticipated change of around 18% over the next year, with possible returns between -6% and 26%. This corresponds to a projected price range between $210.74 and $283.09 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Apple stock downgraded to hold accumulate. On the most recent trading day, which was Thursday, the 22nd of August, 2024, the Apple stock price decreased by 0.83%, dropping from $226.40 to $224.53. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.98%, ranging from a low of $223.90 to a high of $228.34. Notably, the stock has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and has increased by 5.26% over the past 2 weeks. Although the trading volume increased by 9 million shares on the last day, this occurred alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 42 million shares were traded, amounting to around $9.48 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $237.23, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the stock price sits 5.35%, or $12.70, below the 52-week high of $237.23, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Recent developments surrounding Apple, also known as AAPL, suggest both short and long-term implications for the stock. Notably, the River Park Long-Short Opportunity Fund highlighted Apple as a top contributor to their second quarter portfolio, indicating ongoing confidence among institutional investors. This positive sentiment could provide upward pressure on the stock in the near term. In a significant shift, Apple's App Store lead, Matt Fisher, will be leaving the company. This transition could signify upcoming changes in strategy that may impact app ecosystem dynamics. As the App Store faces increased scrutiny, how Apple navigates these changes will be critical for maintaining its competitive advantage. Compliance with the European Union's Digital Markets Act prompts structural changes for Apple, allowing European users greater choice in browser options and the ability to delete apps. While these adjustments may initially disrupt operations, They pave the way for long-term growth by enhancing user satisfaction and compliance, which is crucial for maintaining market presence in Europe. Additionally, billionaire Ken Griffin's substantial increase in Apple shares could signal institutional optimism regarding future stock performance, especially with speculation around a potential iPhone upgrade cycle. As these factors unfold, they are likely to impact both investor sentiment and stock price, positioning Apple to adapt and thrive in evolving market conditions. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 19th of August, 2024, it was reported that MoffettNathanson assigned a neutral grade to Apple Inc. with an initiate action. On Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham gave Apple Inc. a buy grade along with a hold action. On Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, it was reported that CFRA assigned a buy grade to Apple Inc. with a hold action. On Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler gave Apple Inc. a neutral grade with a hold action. On the same day, Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned a sector weight grade to Apple Inc. with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, it is important to note that there is also a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive forecast. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $225.12. Conversely, if there is a decline, the stock will find support from the long-term average at around $222.61. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly referred to as MACD. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect the stock's near-term trajectory. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 16, 2024, and thus far, the stock has declined by 4.38%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning sign, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 28 days ago. Bollinger Bands presented a buy signal 13 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a sell 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 4 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average provided a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 78 days ago. The correlation between the short and long moving averages resulted in a buy signal 66 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $213.07 and $207.49. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level, as a break below this level could lead to a decline towards the next support level. In this case, Apple finds support just below today's level at $213.07. If this support is breached, the next levels of support from accumulated volume will be at $207.49 and $207.15. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.44 between its high and low, representing a change of 1.98%. Throughout the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.35%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A PE ratio of this nature is fairly standard, often observed in companies with established histories or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.59. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $226.34. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $213.07. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 15th of August, 2024, Chris Kondo conducted an insider sale of 8,706 shares of common stock. On the 9th of August, 2024, Chris Kondo conducted an insider sale of 5,178 shares of common stock. On the 5th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams conducted an insider sale of 97,600 shares of common stock. On the 5th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams conducted an insider sale of 2,400 shares of common stock. On the 7th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams conducted an insider sale of 4,500 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 33.925. Overall, insiders purchased 1,401,454 shares and sold 2,716,460 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $213.62, which represents a decline of 4.86%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal derived from a pivot top identified 43 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it would be better viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should maintain or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our assessment of this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate stance since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 23rd of August, we anticipate that Apple will open higher by $1.06, starting at $225.59. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.